everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Jane. So today I am doing something a little bit rustic for my front door, and I thought I'd share the whole process with you. So I just went to our department store that we have here in the UK called Dunelm, picked up this partly made wreath, so it's got like the obviously artificial, they're all artificial things I've got to go on it. It's got like this artificial eucalyptus, I think it is, which is quite pretty on its own, but I just thought it just needed a little bit of something else. And it's got a little hanger on the back. So basically you could literally hang this up as it is. You know me, I like to add my own spin on things. So I'm just going to add just a couple of things, and things that also kind of tie in with the rustic wreath that I made for my gate. I painted my gate the other week and I finished it off with that gorgeous rustic wreath, and I just thought this is going to be similar, not the same, but it's very similar with the pink tones. So I just picked up this pink eucalyptus spray, so I've got that to go on it. And I don't know what this is meant to be, but I thought it was quite nice, and that's all I'm going to add to it. And I may add a Hessian bow. I have got a great big massive roll of Hessian, so I may add that at the end, but we shall see. I am no way, shape or form trained in flower arranging or anything like that. I just like to play about with things and until I get it into something that I like, and I will just keep on zhuzhing and faffing until it's, you know, it feels right for me. So, but I'm certainly not, no way at all trained in any way in flower arrangements or anything like that. And I've got some rusty wire, and I've also got some green garden wire if I run out, and I've just got some pliers, and I'm literally just going to add bits of these onto this wreath. So let's go for it.
I love you. I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Yeah, I just thought, never liked my front door, but it's a front door that came with the bungalow, and you know, sometimes you've got to work with what you've got, and I just thought, rather than spending an absolute fortune changing the front door, why not give it a nice lick of paint? So I chose this gorgeous olive green paint, and it was a special paint I had to get mixed because of the door. The door is one of those composite type of double glazed type of door. And really do love that gorgeous fresh green look. My garden gate, which I'd painted a few weeks ago, was the same colour as the summer house, but when you compared the two greens, they were slightly different, and I wanted the front of the bungalow to look cohesive, to look, you know, similar, and the two greens were too different. So I also gave the gate another coat of green to match the front door. And I'd already made that cute little heart wreath for the gate, and I just thought another wreath for a bigger size to go on the front door would be perfect. So how simple was that project? I think it's totally transformed my front door and the gate, and I've kept the foliage along the bottom of the wreath rather than going all the way around it. That's just how I wanted to do it. It just was pleasing to the eye for me. It's made the door look quite country cottage-ish, which is what I was going for. Obviously I don't live in a cottage, but I would love to pretend I'm in a cottage. And you've got to work with what you've got, haven't you? So I think it's come out pretty well. So let me know what you think. As I say, it's a really simple project. It's something that didn't take me long at all. A couple of hours to paint the door, couple of hours to put the primer on, then a couple of hours the next day to put 2 coats of paint on, and literally half an hour, 45 minutes to make my wreath. So it was a really simple project. So yeah, so let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.